So your voice break.
बच्चे बोलेंगे तो सीखेंगे
नहीं सर मैंने अच्छा ही है
If they will not
सर अच्छा ही है
they will not learn, right? If they will not
Yes.
यस
they will not learn.
सर हम वीडियो ऑफ रखते बट हम आंसर भी करते हैं
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
क्या ये सर कर
I'm
रहे हैं
sharing the white screen now. Okay, is there my white screen is visible properly?
नॉट येट
Chapter,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
चैप्टर
If anyone have textbook, will you please tell me the name of
Change
number of the
this
chapter?
font.
Comparing quantities.
Quantities.
Comparing
कल
comparing quantities, right? Will you please tell me the
हाँ,
chapter
sir.
number? Just wait, I will see otherwise.
सर
Chapter number will be 8th one. Okay.
सर
8.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
सर कल की रिकॉर्डिंग होगी ना कल के क्लास की
हाँ.
सर क्योंकि कल मेरा बर्थडे और मैं लातूर जाने वाला हूँ
Of course, it will be there. No problem. So, chapter 8, comparing quantities, means what we will discuss in this chapters. I will firstly make a means graphical representation of that chapter. What we are going to learn. Okay.
यस
So, in this chapter, first concept that is ratio and proportion.
Proportion.
And this chapter is very helpful for your means examination after 12th when you will give after 12th suppose you want to apply for any Maharashtra statement government exam मतलब सरकारी नौकरी के लिए आप अप्लाई करते हो सपोज एनी ऑफ द एग्जाम
मैं बिल्कुल
like means triple SSC staff selection commission which was run by central government and Maharashtra government के भी बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स होते हैं like teacher के एग्जाम्स computer operator something else for each of the exams this chapter will be very important because this is only the one word inside this word there will be so many chapters this topic contains automatically so many chapters so this chapter now ratio proportions you have done in previous class but in different chapters not under this right definitely you have done ratio and proportion in previous class but maybe you know that this chapter come under this category or this chapter will not come under this category right so
यस
am I audible now everyone
हाँ
Yes, sir. Clearly.
now second percentage
Okay.
सर परसेंटेज मुझे पता है थोड़ा
percentage next topic will be here compound interest
सर एक्सपोनेंट्स
compound interest and
सर ये बैंक में क्या ही होता है वो इंटरेस्ट वगैरह
before compound interest it there will be
Exponent?
sometimes in some books under percentage chapter this will be there means simple interest
So means what?
अरे आगे जाकर पता चलेगा ना पहले जो है वो तो पढ़
ए हमें संद्रो बेटा compound interest and the topic that will be profit and loss
एंड लॉस
Profit loss. Yes.
these
ये पता है
topics
सर ये बच्चे
and one more topics is there discount
Oh.
डिस्काउंट
so means this chapter already contains 3 or 4 chapter means this chapter will takes time ठीक है this chapter definitely will takes time at least 15 to 20 days means 10 to 15 days is required to complete this chapter in proper way
सर फिर क्या करो जितने भी आप मतलब यूट्यूब चैनल पे ना प्लेलिस्ट बनाओ सर हर लेसन के लिए एक प्लेलिस्ट बनाओ मतलब
don't worry no problem
चैप्टर चाहिए वहाँ पे जा सकते हैं
ठीक है don't worry
लाइब्रेरी के टाइम में जाने का और ऐड प्लेलिस्ट
हाँ sorry yes
सर मंगेश मुंडे बहुत ही
यूट्यूब
मेरे
खोलना
जैसा ही है।
लाइब्रेरी टैब में जाना बाद में ऐड प्लेलिस्ट
Mangesh, please speak louder, beta. Your voice is coming, but not properly coming, and I'm not able to listen. Yes, Mangesh.
Sir, he is telling go to library tab and add playlist.
तू तो और भी उससे कम धीमी आवाज में बात कर रहा है सर वो
Sir, he is
सर
saying
मंगेश
that
कुंडे
go
बोल
to
रहा है
library
कि
and
लाइब्रेरी
add to-
यूट्यूब के लाइब्रेरी
अरे,
में
अरे,
जाओ और वहाँ से प्लेलिस्ट क्रिएट करने का एक ऑप्शन होता है वहाँ से आप कितनी भी प्लेलिस्ट आपकी मन से क्रिएट कर सकते हो और बाद में जो भी वीडियो चाहिए उसके नीचे आपको जाना जहाँ पे लाइक वगैरह का ऑप्शन आता है
videos.
वहाँ पे सेव
I
का
know
ऑप्शन
that.
आएगा
I know this thing. Don't worry. I know this thing.
ओके सर
Something I also know. मैं नया नहीं हूँ, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो पता है मेरे को, ऐसा नहीं है.
हाँ 1 year से
Okay,
sir
sir.
कर रहे हैं
No problem. So in this chapter, we will discuss ratio proportion firstly, then percentage concept. Under percentage concept, simple
Hello,
interest
sir.
and compound interest
Very
will
shanti.
not in your syllabus. So we will discuss only simple interest under this topic. Okay. After this,
ओके सर
in your class, discount is also not there. Arey, what is going on? हाँ, discount
सर
is also-
एक्सपोनेंट है क्या
exponent is different chapter. ठीक है, that was different part. So compound interest and discount is not in your syllabus. ठीक है, तो profit
ओके
loss
सर
means these things I will discuss. Ratio proportion, percentage, profit loss, simple interest. ठीक है, compound interest and
1 2
discount
3
profit,
4
these chapters will be added in 8th standard. The same chapter name, but the topic will be increased. These topics in 8th standard will be also there. Ratio proportion, percentage, profit loss, simple interest, but the level should be quite high in comparison means current level. ठीक है?
sir
So Prathamesh wants to ask something to you.
Yes, Prathamesh.
so what is meant by interest
Interest we will come down right now. Just wait for some time. ठीक है?
okay sir
सबर का फल मीठा होता है
हाँ.
sir
Means
4 minutes remaining
there will be stairs.
हाँ
If you are here, if you directly want to go here, definitely you will slip over there, huh?
हाँ
Then you get hurt yourself. So here
हम
to here,
एक स्टेयर स्किप कर सकते हैं बस
right?
हाँ
yes sir एक stair only
So
नहीं मैं
in
3 कर सकता हूँ
8th standard, the same chapter, same topics, level should be high. ठीक है?
हाँ क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट होंगे
अभी इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से कर लोगे, 8th में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. अभी नहीं करोगे, 8th में प्रॉब्लम होगी डेफिनेटली. ठीक है?
सर मैंने ऐसा भी देखा है कि मतलब कुछ बच्चे मतलब
First topic,
7th में होके ही 9th और 8th की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं एक
ratio,
साथ
proportion. Already you have done these things. How many of you have done this thing? Ratio and proportion. What is the meaning of this?
सर एवरीवन
Huh? Yes. Anyone? Yes, Prathamesh. Before ratio proportion, coming to ratio only. What that mean? Have you done in earlier class means 6 or not? Please tell me. I know you
Yes,
have
we
done.
yes sir done but it's not definition
Anyone? Now,
Sir, may I?
Getting
before
the
ratio.
2 questions value
Yes,
equal.
yes, Sri, tell me.
Yes, sir. The relation between two quantities.
Very good. Relation between two quantities. Very good.
and the
answer.
contents of the both numbers
As you have done in your previous class, like this is your diagram. ठीक है?
yes
These are the parts, and some parts are shaded like in this way.
1:2
ah
Some parts, suppose like
yes
yes sir
Shaded.
1:2 like this is like 4:1
means these parts are shaded. I will try to set properly, but actually not able.
सर आप ऐसे ही मतलब डायरेक्ट पेन से ही कर दो
हाँ. suppose
वही
these
अच्छा है।
parts are shaded, ठीक है, complete.
यस
So in this figure, how to represent this shaded region in the form of fraction first?
1:4
4.
1:4
1:4 we will talk over here, but if you want to represent in the
1/4
fraction,
1/4
1/4 not 1:4, ठीक है, 1:4 we
Okay.
will only means reading skill will be changed, ठीक है,
यस
okay, means
Yes.
fraction will be compared of a particular figure that with their respective parts, है ना, तो इन fractions में हम लोग क्या करते हैं,
हाँ
if the diagram will be given number of shaded portion or total number of parts, right? I am getting connected to you from the fraction chapter, then I will come down to ratio, ठीक है,
so less than 1 minute
okay, less than 1 minute is there. So now
खत्म।
from tomorrow onwards we will start this
दो,
ratio chapter,
एक।
ratio concept with this word meaning, fresh mood, okay. So now
Okay,
I am
sir.
going to end today's class here.